Are you helping Dr. Brian, River?
Yeah.
Cool.
His neck hurts.
His neck hurts?
Yeah.
Not for long, because Dr. Brian's hands are on him.
Have you been wrestling with your dad?
Yeah.
You beat him up a little bit?
Yeah. Mommy is in my house.
Yeah, you got the boxing gloves on last night.
You did?
Yeah.
You have boxing gloves? Oh, that's so cool. It looked like you did that side twice. What did you do?
Wow.
Well, that was his atlas up at the top.
Yeah.
And the first one was C7 on the right.
His neck hurts for right.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That Atlas one is a good one, huh,
Oh
Tim?
man. It's
Right?
like it feels like your whole head slides over.
Last time I saw you in here, you were in a little chair
Oh,
with your
you
mom
saw me?
in a stroller. Yeah.
Oh, you saw me?
I did.
What?
Your mom came in.
You did?
Yeah. Yeah.
My mom came in when she was sitting.
Yeah, she needed an adjustment too.
Oh, that has this one?
Yeah.
She was.
You were just a little guy though in a stroller.
I know. I was baby. Yeah, I was bigger.
Yeah, now you're a big dude.
Yeah, I know.
Well, I think we cleared the deck.
Yeah, man. Seeing stars there. Gosh.
How's your neck?
It's no good.
It's good.
No.
No, he said it's no good.
No, your neck's no good.
No.
Uh-oh.
Do you want Dr. Brian to check to see if you have popcorn in your neck?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to sit down on that table? You can if you want.
It's bigger for my dad than on this.
Yeah, okay.
All right, let's have you sit up.
Wow.
I know.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
What do you think? Oh, that looks straighter, a little taller maybe?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Appreciate your honesty.
Yeah.
All right, your turn.
You can climb right up here. I'll check you out.
Has he been adjusted before?
I know.
Yay.
That's it
So, yeah.
for.
All right.
Never been adjusted before.
All right.
I know.
Yay.
Oh,
Got it?
There you go.
all right. Lay on your back.
It's too big for me to climb.
It's too big for you?
Yeah.
Go like this.
What?
Just lay down. Lay down.
What?
Lay down. You ready?
Yeah, look at you.
There he
Check
is.
you out.
He's ready.
What a big dude.
Does that tickle?
No.
No. How come you're so tight?
Because I am. I am.
Because of him.
Because
Oh, that's so...
my parents got me all wound up.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Stay down.
Stay down, buddy.
Yeah. You want me to move those?
No.
No?
No, maybe not.
Okay. Let's
Yeah.
just stretch it. Stretch it a little bit.
Hi, Kevin.
Good job. You sure you haven't done this before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's put a little, push that over a little bit. There you go. And then push that one over a little bit.
Are those the right spots, River?
Yeah.
Good.
Feels good?
That hurts.
Yeah.
Not anymore.
From all your boxing.
Yeah, I am boxing.
Uh-huh.
You got headgear too?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Say hi to the camera.
Okay, let's do a little stretch. Oh, make it taller. Oh, there you go. Okay, good. Good job, buddy. All right.
Hey, put him to
Good
sleep.
job. High five, River. Nice job. High five. Yeah, good job.
Thank Dr. Thank Dr. B.
You guys have a good Christmas.
Yeah, you too.